They are a very well respected and a very professional outfit with excellent staff. We chose to work with Platform 365 due to their reputation within the industry, and since then I've built an excellent relationship with most of their team on a daily basis, as well as my team in the office. I'm Rob Willis, CEO of F&D Tech Solutions. We've been working with Platform 365 now for about 6 years. IT is very important, definitely with my role, due to the nature of our business, our cybersecurity, with our clients. Everything has to be extremely on point every day and in general throughout the business. So we are rapidly growing. We have pretty much trebled in size over the past 12 to 18 months. Platform 365 support us daily, whether it's individual issues with IT or just general support for our staff. Yeah, they have supported us through all the growth so far. The personal relationship with Platform 365 to myself and to my senior level staff is extremely good. They seem to check in on us a lot. They are always on hand. They're very easy to contact. They're very personable. They definitely help us grow. As I said, they obviously are very strategic with what they do for our password, our cyber security, their recommendations for everything that we do on a daily basis, recommendations for stuff that's going to help us progress further, such as like getting the ISOs together. So yes, they definitely are helping us progress. So our engineers that are on the road every day travelling and working on sites, because they all have laptops, all have phones, Platform 365 obviously also support them, whether it's ad hoc stuff or whether it's project support, they're always there on hand. I would say Platform 365 are very proactive, whether it is to do with security, cyber security, our office security, or whether it's some new software that's coming out, something from Microsoft or something to do with our passwords. They seem to be proactive with absolutely everything just to help us ensure that we continue with our business successfully. I'd definitely recommend Platform 365, and that is due to their proactiveness and their professionalism, and their staff are always on hand. They are very good at progressing companies. They understand the business, and they seem to interact with us to help us progress as a company, as well as just like obviously day-to-day business.